Hello guys! Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. So hello anak. Say Merry Christmas to them, my Merry Santa baby.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Yes! So bibisita kami sa church guys habang maaga. Kasi mamayang gabi for sure maraming tao. So sabi ni Mr. tara na ngayong umaga. So alas 11 na dito guys. So sige tara na kako. Para at least diba, hindi siya crowded. So let's see kung open ang church this early morning, no? Ayan. So nakaready na kami ni Jazz. Si Mr. lang hinihintay namin. So ayan na guys, nakalis kami ng bahay. Let's see guys, kasi sabi nila may nagpo-protest daw sa bandang church. So baka sarado, pero titingnan pa rin namin.
It's not on church, the protest is...
in way.
I don't know if it's protest or meeting, something like that, in front of church.
Yes. So let's see guys, kung makadaan kami. Alam nyo naman itong driver namin is, pag mga ganyan is hindi na yan lulusot-lusot. Ayan. Sana, may daan talaga siya. Ayan. So we are on the way. On the way. Bibili muna kami ng bread guys. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Na dito, 10:45. Ayan o. O diba, matahimik ang paligid. Holiday today guys. Walang pasok ang mga bata. Holiday, holiday, Jessica, holiday. Jessica favorite day is
Holiday.
si Ibon said holiday. Ayan. But tomorrow, it's not okay. Pero alam nyo guys, from January 1 to 15, holiday nila. Kasi that time is malamig. Parang winter holiday ng mga bata. From 1 to 15.
Actually, winter holiday should be from 25th up to like 10 January, like that. Because it's maximum cold that time. ਤੇਡਾ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਮਦੇ ਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਾਣੇ ਜੋਣੇ ਸੁੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਿਰਜੇ ਰਾਂਝੇ ਜੰਮਦੇ
Tahimik ang. Are you not hungry, Manag? Although si Jess kumain siya ng fruits, apple, pomegranate, and biscuit, with coffee. Diba, Joss? Are you hungry or no?
No.
So, ayan university, guys.
Hey, church.
Church. How we will go church,
Church
Anak?
later.
Don't worry.
Let's go in church.
Yes, we will go. So, walang mga display ng Christmas kasi nga mga Hindu ang dito, guys.
Let's go
Oh,
in
it's
church.
what display? It's
No,
is it open?
it is.
Let's
It
go
is.
in
It
church.
seems closed.
Open. There's someone there inside. Ayan.
Because I have lack of that one eyesight.
So, bili lang kami, guys, ng tinapay. Then, we will go to church na. Para lang, magpasalamat, syempre, no? Christmas is not about Santa Claus, okay? Kasi itong si Mr. Guys, sabi niya, ang Christmas...
You also, that's what we...
Why did we go?
Nagulat ako nung sabi niya, isn't it Christmas is about Santa? Huh? Santa?
That's what we know here. Like not
It's
all,
not.
maybe
I'm crazy.
other people know, but that's what I know. That I knew.
Christmas is
That
about it's like we remembering Jesus
now I
Christ
know.
born.
I know now.
Yes.
That time.
Although it's not in a Bible that he born in December 25, but it's like remembering that he was born,
Let's go
You know,
in car.
celebrating
Mama, I want to go to church.
celebrating his
I want to go to church, Mama. I want to go to church.
Sige anak, buy him muffin. So diyan kami bumibili guys, Diyan sa Yes anak, we will go church, don't worry.
Okay.
Si Mr. na lang ang bumaba. So dati may mga dito dito yung siguro next month yung flower festival dito. Dito yun Flower festival. So this month, guys, sasama ako. Kasi for sure dadalhin nila si Just dito pagka may mga flower festival, no. Inside the HAU. Ayan. Ayun na si Mr.
Papa,
Ang
Papa.
ganda ng araw ngayon, guys, It's not a foggy day today.
I yes, go in church.
Tell Papa.
There's garlic bread nowadays also, you know, here.
Acha.
Say if this big garlic bread, it's 50 rupees only.
This one?
50.
Isn't it so small? Garlic bread daw. Oh.
Small?
Kumuha
It's
si
so
Mr.
big. In 50 rupees.
So, tig 50 lang daw yan. Kahit yung bread, guys, 50
Yeah,
dito.
take it. And muffin for just. It is. You can you take it?
Mama, I want to go to church.
We will go church, anak. Don't worry. So, dyan na yung church, guys. Oh. I think it's
Oh, see police barricades.
here. Just go from here. See, it's not close.
Where?
Just here.
Then you will make trouble here.
Gulo, please. Ayan, no. May mga police kasi nga may mga nagpo-protest.
We have to park
so, it's
somewhere.
open. Yeah, just park
Thing is,
here.
there is no place to park.
Just- Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, may mga star dyan. Kasi church, dyan na yung church, guys. Eh. So, may ang dami ring ano, oh.
They just bath already, then.
Ne. Ibon.
We have
So
to
many
park our much
toys.
forward.
So many toys, guys. Just. So, hanap lang kaming parking, guys. Din maglalakad na lang kami. Ayan.
Park.
Here. Here.
Park.
Ayan, naglalakad na kami papuntang church. Ayan ang aking little Santa baby. Excited si Jazz pumunta sa church. So may mga nagtitinda din dyan sa gilid-gilid. Tinda rin sila dyan.
Careful.
Si Mr. Later. So, dito na kami sa church, guys. So, ito yung nag-isang church dito sa aming city. Saan na yung sawak? It's okay?
They don't know. They said they don't know.
So close. I think close sa loob. May service yata. Puno. Puno sa loob, guys. So, hindi na kami papasok. This is church, anak. It's I'll just see in I'll just film inside. I'll just go there and just here. Just hold there. Hindi rin kami makapasok, ang daming tao. Simple decoration. Sige, Papa! You cannot go inside, anak. So may service din sa loob, punong tao, guys.
It will be too much,
So mamaya punong-puno dito, guys, promise. Mamayang gabi.
You should feel like you there. That's why it will be in your back.
So ito lang yung nag-iisang church dito sa city. So mabuti naman at open siya, no? Ayan. So maluwag din yung niya, kapaligiran niya. Ayan, may mga dyan.
They used to show there something there. Then there.
So ang daming tao, hindi ka makapasok sa loob. Tayuan na. Papagas din. As you see, there's a candles, there's a reindeer. Ah, Papa, just they're waiting. See, oh. See this, oh. There's a candles here. Oh, ayan. May mga nag-ano dyan ng candles. Tapos may mga display din dyan. Go there, anak, oh. See, it's so nice, oh. Hahagya, okay. Let's just, ayan. Wish you a Merry Christmas, okay. So, ito lang, guys, yung display. Waiting there. See, oh, see, darling. Okay, let's go. So, ayan lang guys. Yan lang naman. Mabuti na lang open pa siya at konti lang ang tao. So, uwi na kami. Itong si Jess hinahanap ang papa. Si Jess. Meron doon mga nagpapapicture. Doon pa guys doon. So, kain kami dito guys. Burger Sing. Ayan. So, habang wala pang Chalo. Maliit lang siya, pero super clean niya guys. Ayan.
Papa, why you do?
Ha?
Scanner.
Just scanner.
So we can get majority of it today there.
Just, I have cash also. You didn't bring your phone, right?
No,
I don't have phone also.
You did not.
I have cash. Ayan yung mga yun. What's your burger? Chicken burger? There's chicken burger.
Is it lamb?
Ha?
Lamb, right?
I want sushi, Mama.
Ano susu? Acha, let's see. Let's see where. Ayan, here. So, susu daw ang aking bebe lang. Fairness guys, malinis yung kanilang CR. Kasi kami pa lang ang unang customer nila. Ay, si Jess. Sit here na malapit, mami. Acha. Here with mama. Ano si Mister? What will you eat, anak?
What's Papa?
But mine.
What's Papa doing?
Papa just
What did you order, Gulo?
What's Papa doing, Mama?
Ayan. So, nadaanan na kasi namin. Doon sana kami sa Burger King. Kaya lang sabi ni Mr. Dito na lang tayo para hindi na kami lalayo. So, kasi siya Burger Sing. So, sick ang may-ari. So, for sure is
Mama, please,
kind of hygienic.
French fries, Mama.
Yes, anak. Papa-order you, okay? Something. Tika. Ayan.
In India, if you don't wanna go to any Macos, if you wanna eat clean, you go to any Sikh shop, and it's most probably 80% chance or above 80, it will be clean.
There's restroom is
You can tell that right when you go to Fakwada, like Punjab. It's
So,
hygienic.
yung small kitchen nila doon. So, very clean ang place. Very clean yung bathroom nila. Just do.
Mama.
So, kain na tayo, guys. Ayan. Snacks lang namin.
Mama, what's that?
Ayan, si Marisa.
What's that, Mama?
Kain tayo. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.
What's that, Mama? What's that? What's that, Mama?
May chicken puffs kami. Chicken ito, guys. Just,
Two
chicken
chicken
burger, veg
burger.
burger. Kaka yung ating french fries ni Jazz. So, snacks lang naman.
Just eat veg burger.
Ayan. Kain tayo, guys.
Papa, what?
Balo-balo, anak ko.
You able to show
doon, just come muna.
19 can no.
It's so baby scary.
That's that. It's balo-balo
It's so baby scared.
Yes. So, uwi na kami, guys. Nabusog ng mga person. Nagluto pa naman ng si Mami G, pero kakain pa rin kami. Nagluto siya today ng special sambar tsaka dosa. Kaya lang wala kaming coconut chutney. Masarap ang dosa sa coconut chutney. Ayan. So yun yung breakfast namin, parang pinaka-brunch. So nag-snacks lang naman kami. Ayan. So we're going na. Say bye-bye to titas na.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas once again, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.